Hello, hello. Welcome to another session of Let's Chat with Denisha. Today we are not gonna talk. What we are actually gonna do is show you some things that my friends and I have been cooking for ourselves and families. Some real Jamaican dishes. Stay tuned. Contains the orange peel, the lemon, the garlic, a little salt, but then I drink it before I clean my nasal passage and everything with this on. I drink the tea. Yeah, some people put onion in there, but me not put no onion in there, but the onion is very good. But it's just the lemon peel, the orange peel, I mean, the lemon, the garlic, and the iodized salt, and it helps clean your nasal passage and whatever, if there's any restriction in the mucus or whatever, it clears it. But I drink the tea first, and then me do the steaming. I'm gonna eat some food now. Yeah. The tea over the song.
Chicken or fry. Peas cook already. Pot season up, rice will go in. Potato and cook to the pasta. Try your thing, you know?
See there now, I'm gonna do some pot roast beef, well seasoned up. And see there, look there, peas are boiling now. Season it up here now. Put in my rice. I'm good to go, and then I'm gonna show you now because I'm gonna sort out some vegetable. See what I say? Some saute vegetable. Yeah. This one just start. Eat this enough. You don't want to smell it too. Eat this, man. Well seasoned up rosemary and thyme and pepper. And there's one, sir. Well seasoned up, you know. Yeah, man. Hey, you. Stop what you're doing right now and subscribe. Press that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember to press that subscribe button and see you again on Let's Chat with Denisha. Remember to keep safe and sane. Just be creative.